Hi everyone, Angela here. I am so excited. We get to open plant mail, birthday plant mail together today. This is a gift from my sweet friend Adele. She lives over in the UK. Her channel is Lifepaholic, so you definitely need to look her up. She's so fantastic and knew it was my birthday, so sent me a little gift. And we get to open it up together. But before we do that, really fast, I just want to say, if you are new, please comment below and introduce yourself. Subscribe and, keep connecting with me through future videos because that's the whole reason I'm doing this. My channel name is Growing Roots because not only do I love plants, but also I want to build a community of like-minded people who just want to make, the world a better place, who want to be happy and who find joy in the simple things in life. So make sure, if you're new, subscribe and let's be friends. And if you are a subscriber already, thank you again for coming back to this video. And I'm so excited. If I don't know you, you need to comment below and introduce yourself. Like I said, my name's Angela, and I have 2 kids, a husband. I live in Missouri in the United States. It's hot, it's humid. We've got 3 dogs and life is super crazy, but I show up as often as I can and I just want to connect with you all. So enough of my rambling, let's open the goodies. Like I said, this came in the mail just the other day. I took off the tape, like I pre-opened it so you didn't have to see me struggle. But I also knew what it was. I guess it came yesterday and my husband put it away and didn't even tell me about it. So I'm opening it now, but they're like literally in the other room and I don't know how long they're going to be quiet. So pray with me. But this is a gift from Air Plant Hub because Adele knows I love my air plants. And she has a really sweet message on here that says, "Dear Angela, happy birthday, dear. May you have a lovely time with your family. I hope you like my gift and stay safe. Thanks for being a lovely friend. Regards, Adele." Honey, thank you so much. This is so sweet. Now, for everyone out there, Adele and I don't actually know each other. We've just connected through YouTube videos, and she's just such a sweetheart, and I'm beyond amazed at this gift. So thank you, sweet Adele. Just thank you. I haven't even opened it yet, and I just want to say thank you. So here we go. Like I said, it's from Air Plant Hub, so I know they're air plants. Oh my gosh, and they're so cute. Can you guys even see them? Look at all of these awesome babies. Okay, so if you guys have seen any of my videos, I just came out with a complete care guide to air plants because I love them. They're so, look at this. Forget my nails, they're a disaster. This one has pink on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not coming up. My nails are pink, but they look orange. I don't know what is going on right now. Too much outside light maybe. But look at these. Adele, you have outdone yourself. I've never even seen this. You guys, it's flat. What is this? I need to look these up. Oh my gosh. I'm such a nerd right now for air plants. This is the coolest thing. It has a deep purple kind of at the base. Oh, I wish you guys could see the color. Hopefully it's coming up better for you than it is for me. Oh, look at this. Honestly, I have some, what I love about air plants is that they're so similar, but yet striking differences. This one, I think these are babies. Okay, so right? But look inside here. See if you can see. It's not zooming very well, sorry. But there's a baby. There's a baby. There's a baby. There are at least 3 babies in here, maybe a 4th one, but I can't quite pin it out. Look how incredible that is. Adele. I'm going to pretend, Adele, that you picked all of these out individually for me. They are so fantastic. Thank you, sweetheart. So these, oh my gosh, I can't believe, pink and purple. And so the first time I ever saw an air plant, I have to tell you guys, I was at the store and they had the most vibrant red and purple. They were mature plants and I was floored at how gorgeous they were. And so I pulled a sales associate aside and I said, "Excuse me, dear, please tell me. I mean, I was at a nursery in Kansas City, so I was like, there's no way that they would do this, but please tell me that these are not spray painted. And she was like, oh heavens no. No, these are their real colors, and they are so vibrant. So I'm really excited to see some color on these, because I know when they mature that they're gonna have beautiful, beautiful color. And it just amazes me what, you know, nature can do. Look at this. This one also has babies. I don't know how this is even possible. You can see, maybe you can't, maybe you can. There's a baby, and there's a baby. So that means that these are going to grow into full-size baby plants that can be separated, or they can grow in a cluster. And some plants grow in huge clusters. I'm going so slow. I need to go faster, guys. I'm sorry. But this is what I love so much about air plants, that there's just so much beautiful little detail. Look at this one. This one, you guys can't really see. Maybe you can. There you go. Do you see that shine on it? This has like a silver, dewy shine on it. Like, so gorgeous. Adele, thank you so much. These are so healthy too. So healthy. I'm so glad we're in summer so that I can give them the humidity they need. Look at the roots on this baby. And there's just so much. There's at least 8 new leaves on the inside there. These are like the healthiest little things I've ever seen. What else do I have? Oh, we saw those babies. No, we didn't. We did. Okay. Sorry, I'm getting so sidetracked. And this one, I had one of these, you guys. I'm not even joking. I love this. This is one of, like, you can't even see how fine it is. Like, there, look at that. It's like so whimsical. It's like a little pine cone in the middle. You can't even see. I'm sorry, my camera is so goofy today. It's like a little pine cone in the middle, but all these little whimsical, maybe you can see it on my shirt better, like a brooch. It's so whimsical. Steve, I'm not even joking, you guys. I'm looking over it right now. It's a disaster. He knocked over my picture frame that holds all of my air plants, and he chewed them up. We were outside last weekend. I think it was last weekend. And I came in, and there was like 4 plants that were chewed up on the dog bed right over here. And I was so mad at him, but he's just a 1-year-old puppy, so I need to give him a break, but I was so mad. Anyways, look at this. So thank you, because he literally, this was one of the few, I think it was 3 or 4 maybe, that he chewed up. And so now I have a beautiful replacement. And here's another one I've never seen before. Now, maybe this is an immature plant. It looks like it might have been a baby that had just come off of a mature plant. I think I have one that, or had one. Nope, I think he ate that one too. That was similar to this, but it's not quite the same. I just love them. Isn't that so cute? So if you guys have not tried air plants, you need to, because they are so unique and so much fun. You really just have to watch humidity and make sure that when you dry them that they don't rot. You have to let them dry completely before you put them back in their display. And I can't say that enough. That's the one way you can kill your air plants. Otherwise, they can pretty much survive through anything, is what I found. So that's why I like them, and also sansevierias, because I just can't kill them. Well, I mean, my dog can, but I can't. I don't do it very well. I don't kill them very easily, is what I mean. Anyways, these are so precious. Look at all of them. I don't have them displayed in there perfectly. But Adele, thank you, for real. This is so precious. I can't wait to find a super sweet treat to send back to you. Everybody, you need to check out Lifepaholic. I'll make sure you need to check my comments, because that's where I always post like who my plant friends are. And of course, you know, if you have a plant channel, talk to me. Let's connect. Let's make friends, and I can add you to the list too. So look it up. Oh, it was so perfect too. There, a little bit better. And then this one, he's flat. He's flat. You guys, I'm so serious. I don't even know what these are. So someday, I'll have to do my research, and I'll find out what the names of all of these are, and we'll do a little like identification video for you guys so that we know what the names are, because that's, I think, always fun. They're like some crazy names. Anyways, Again, Adele, thank you so much. Everyone else, if you made it to the, this 10 minutes of my rambling, thank you for listening and enjoying this beautiful birthday present with me. And make sure you subscribe so that we can stay friends, and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, thank you all so much. Adele, thank you again. Everyone stay safe and have a good night or morning, whenever it is. Thanks, bye.